Every batch starts with carefully sourced whole potatoes.
Precision begins before the first potato enters the line. Thousands of potatoes move as one into processing.
Human eyes still guard quality at the start.
Automation balances speed with control. Every load is measured before washing. Only potatoes move forward. The first transformation is about to begin. Surface dirt is stripped away gently. Efficiency extends beyond the product. This is where cleanliness becomes absolute. Every inch is washed clean. Now prepared for precision processing. Next, technology decides post-perfection. Technology now takes control of quality.
Every potato is analyzed in milliseconds.
Imperfections are identified instantly. What are we into fine?
Nothing is wasted in this system. Uniform size ensures uniform chips.
Loose up, human oversight reinforces automation.
Balance keeps the line efficient.
The flow reunites, refined. Preparation continues in small details. Safety governs every step. Transformation accelerates here. Next, raw potatoes become ready for slicing.
Steam loosens the skin without harming the core.
A controlled shock does the work. Skins are gone in seconds. Nothing useful is discarded. Scrap and grind. Final traces are washed clean. Perfection is verified by hand. Precision removes imperfections. Cleanliness prepares the cut.
Now the shape will change.
The iconic cut awaits. Speed meets absolute control. Uniformity creates consistency.
Uniform slices define the chip's destiny.
Precision lives in every setting.
Spacing matters before heat.
Only flawless slices remain.
Dry surfaces fry evenly.
The line prepares for heat. Heat transforms everything.
Temperature defines flavor.
This is the moment of crunch.
Now, raw becomes irresistible.
Oil and time reshape texture.
Moisture leaves, crunch is born.
Clean oil preserves flavor. Golden tone is carefully watched. Balance creates uniformity. Heat is constantly refined. The environment stays controlled.
This texture defines the chip.
Perfection is approved. Excess oil is removed. Cooling locks in crunch.
Human judgment remains essential.
Flavor is next.
Now, taste takes form.
Warm chips welcome flavor. Every gram is calculated.
Taste is digitally tuned.
Consistency is constantly measured.
Flavor complete. Quality next.
Human eyes confirm perfection.
Packaging awaits. Now, chips become products. Shape defines identity. Seals protect freshness. Crunch meets container. Freshness is sealed inside. The product is protected. Traceability is guaranteed.
individual chips become retail goods.
Now, individual bags become shipments. Now, single units become bulk shipments. Order is created at speed. Packaging takes structure.
Multiple bags, one destination.
Even cases are checked. Protection continues outward. Human oversight never leaves. Stability is locked in. From factory floor to global shelves. Production pauses. Logistics begin.
Every movement is planned.
Every pallet is digitally tracked.
Data controls distribution.
Demand triggers motion. Timing keeps shelves full.
Accuracy prevents delays.
Precision reaches the road.
Stability ensures safe travel. Another shipment complete.
From factory to families.
Distribution begins its journey.
Efficiency is built into every corner. Order is maintained at scale.
Human eyes guarantee every shipment.
Every batch stored, ready for dispatch.
And this is how modern factories produce Lay's chips from start to finish.
From field to bag, precision meets perfection.